here with Bear. He is
Hi,
part
all.
of the awesome staff here at Boss Frogs, and he's going to be helping us out with surfboard rentals for today.
Generally, I would recommend the 10-foot soft tops. They're going to be the most beginner friendly and just kind of plug and play. They don't need wax or anything like that.
Gotcha.
Of course, big boards, smaller waves, so great for beginners trying to learn on those 1 to 3 footers.
Cool.
So here on the south side of the island in Kihei, we've pretty much just got the Cove Park. This
Okay.
side of the island isn't very much known for surf, but it is really consistent there. Pretty much every day you can catch a wave at Surf Park.
Okay.
If you're willing to go for a little bit of a drive from this
Mhm.
side of the island over towards West Maui, you have Thousand Peaks and Launiopoko. They're on the southern side of Lahaina, which is still very accessible. And we have shops over there on that side of the island also for your rental needs.
Awesome.
And,
Okay.
you're looking at like 3 to 5 foot max at some of the bigger spots and more like 2 to 4 on the regular faces.
So not too big.
Not too big.
Okay.
Great for beginners.
Okay.
So remember to fall flat. That's my #1 safety tip. You don't want to go in feet first or head first. You want to try to pancake, belly flop, back flop, side flop, whatever you got to do to not go down into the reef. Stay within your comfort zone, especially as a beginner, but have fun. Pay attention to the other people there at the park. If you're surfing with others, you want to respect them, both with your actions and how you're talking to them, you know? But I mean, more so, you'll see that there's a lineup. Make sure you're not cutting people off. Get in behind the lineup, observe them. It's going to help you. It's also going to give you time to rest after that hard paddle out. When your shoulders are sore, you want to just kind of sit there on the boards and chill for a little bit. Boss Frogs, we offer lessons. You can book them through us at a discount, and we carry Surf Club Maui, Surf Shack Maui. They're both on this side of the island. And then we also have a few lessons over on the west side of the island as well. That would be Royal Hawaiian Surf Academy over there.
Okay.
I'll grab that.
Okay. Thank you.
Arch your back. You want to keep your head in a straight line, or at least looking where you're trying to go. If you're trying to go straight, keep your head up. If you're trying to go that way or that way, you want to be looking where you want to go. You want to be basically center of the board. Basically, I was taught to keep your head around the emblem on the board. They're placed in a spot for a reason. Of course, if you're taller, you might be a little bit beyond that, but you basically want to center your mass on the board, keep your center of mass in the middle of the board, and actually kind of take your time. If you try to do it too fast and you lose your balance, you're going to fall. But even if you're moving really slow and you're working hard to make it happen, if you stay centered and balanced on the board, you'll stand up. Once you're standing, you're going to want 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, keeping your balance on the board. And as you get more and more comfortable on the board, then you'll start thinking about taking turns and stuff.